I'm going to start by removing the cover for the power cable. And that should just pop off. To remove the actual connector, I'm going to have to squeeze the edges here, the sides, while gently wiggling out at the same time. There we go. We'll put this to the side, and then we'll go ahead and do all the smaller screws on the outside of the TV first. Then we'll do our wall mount screws, the larger machine screws. We have 4 of those. And finally, we have a couple smaller ones here around the main board. And one last one that's kind of hidden right here in between the AV cables. That should do it, so I can now gently and carefully wiggle the back cover off. It is sheet metal, so it is very sharp. Just be very careful. And there we go. In order to remove the main board, I'm going to disconnect all the connectors, ribbons, and wires before I unscrew it. So let's start down here with these 2 little guys. We have a little clip, so I'm going to put pressure with 1 finger here and gently wiggle it out. We'll do the same thing. A little pressure on that side and wiggle it out. For these ribbons, we want to squeeze the sides. There are 2 tabs. So squeeze and gently wiggle it out. Do the same thing here. And they're in there pretty tight, so it's not very simple or easy. Just you have to be gentle and careful. We don't want to break them. Sometimes it takes a little bit more effort. And this one's really in there. Okay, and I've done this 100 times and I'm still struggling. So if you're also struggling at home, there we go. That's normal. All right. And then for this one, we also have 2 tabs on this side we'll have to squeeze. So I'm going to squeeze them and gently wiggle at the same time. And then over here, we'll put pressure on the top here and wiggle it up. And now let's do the screws. We have 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the board should just now lift off of the set. Again, we'll have to wiggle it. And there we go. If you found the video helpful or useful, leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.